Title: The 48 Laws of Power. Preface in chapters 1 to 5. Before we begin, a warning. This book is not a moral guide. It is a mirror. Some will read it to defend themselves against the powerful, others to become powerful themselves. Robert Greene based these laws on 3,000 years of history, from Machiavelli to Louis XIV, from Sun Tzu to Hollywood. The laws are amoral, like fire. It warms your home or burns it down. Your choice. Now. The laws themselves. Here is how the game begins. Chapter 1, Law 1. Never outshine the master. Your superior must always feel superior. Always. Make them look brilliant, even if you have to dim your own light. Flatter their ego, never threaten their throne. The moment you surpass them in skill or glory, you become a target. So play the fool, let them take the credit. You take the safety. Remember Nicolas Fouquet. He threw a lavish party for Louis XIV and outshone the Sun King. Result? Life in prison. Never outshine the master. Chapter 2, Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Friends will betray you out of envy. Enemies, however, they have nothing to prove. Hire a former rival. They'll work twice as hard to show their loyalty. Meanwhile, friends expect favors. Enemies expect nothing and deliver results. De Castelnau befriended his enemy and won a kingdom. Your so-called friend. He'll stab you for a promotion. Use your enemies. Chapter 3, Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Keep people off balance. If they don't know your plan, they can't stop you. Use smoke and mirrors. Act friendly while plotting, or pretend anger to hide ambition. Misdirection is your shield. I have no desire for power, they whisper. Then they take everything. Conceal your intentions. Chapter 4, Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Silence intimidates. Every word you speak gives others data. Talk too much and you reveal weaknesses, boasts, or lies. Say just enough to be polite, then stop. The more mysterious you seem, the more powerful you become, Louis XIV's famous line. I shall see. Never yes, never no. Keep them guessing. Say less than necessary. Chapter 5, Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Hone it by any means. Your name precedes you. Guard it like a fortress. A strong reputation attracts allies and terrifies enemies. If it's attacked, counterattack ferociously, even with lies. Never let a slight stand. P.T. Barnum didn't just make a circus. He built a legend. Win the story of you and you win the game before it starts. Hone your reputation by any means. Chapters 1 through 5. You are no longer a beginner. Next, chapters 6 through 10. The game deepens. Follow this page, like, subscribe, and share to everyone you know. Don't keep it to yourself.